everybody, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel, Kristen's Home Decor. If you're new, please watch and check out my other videos, and I hope you like it. So today we're going to be decorating my other fireplace in my house, which is built into the wall with the mantle. So I want to show you a few of the items I purchased and where I got them from, and then we're going to clean and decorate. So I got this gold lantern. This was at Big Lots for $14.99. We grabbed some spider webs, giant horror zone. These were $2. We have sugar skull. This was at Target for $5. It lights up. We got this last year though. So we got this pumpkin at Family Dollar. This was $5. This is ceramic, so be very careful. It will shatter. We got this skull on Amazon for $10. My main piece is Mr. Pumpkinhead, which I showed in previous video. He lights up and makes noises to put some new batteries in him. My Wicked Gnome, this was at home for $20. I got this sugar skull picture from my mom. And then at the dollar store they had these 10-piece lights. There's skeleton, bats, and ghosts. They were only $1 each, as well as this Halloween sign, which was only $1 at Family Dollar. And then I grabbed these bats to kind of make them come out of the fireplace. I thought that was pretty cool. And they were on Amazon for $11, and I think you get 90 of them. So that was pretty good. And they just have these easy M3 stickers to put on back and just apply them. My honey's part of his Halloween mask of Predator. And I don't know where he got that, but it's pretty wicked. His costume is coming along. I'll have to show you that in another video. So we're gonna clean and we're gonna decorate, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys again. Have a great day.